Alright guys, I'm heading to the creek now. We've had a little bit of rainfall since yesterday when I caught those couple, so it's a little bit higher, but not significant. So I'm hoping there's some more steelheads up here and that I can get a couple, but we'll go downstream if we have to. We have a little bit of daylight left, but it should be a good one. But make sure you subscribe. And if you guys have been checking out the comments on my videos, you know that I said stay tuned for river catfishing, which I did film. I didn't let you down on purpose, but yeah, I couldn't catch any bait. I was fishing for bait and all I could catch was smallmouth, so nothing big, so I didn't make a video out of that either because I wasn't even filming because I was just planning on catching some small bluegill and cutting them up. But hopefully you guys enjoy these steelhead videos. Let me know what species you want to see me fish for. We got all the northern species up here, so let me know. Pike, maybe walleyes, catfish, more steelheads in the river, catch, clean, cook, whatever you guys want. I'll try and make it happen to the best of my ability. Whether that's good or not, I'm not sure, but make sure you check out the comments and maybe even drop one below. I respond to all of them. But yeah, make sure to stay tuned and enjoy. Alright guys, I saw a decent one just go upstream. It scared me. He was waiting right above the waterfall. I'm gonna go see if I can get him. I didn't see where he was because I was making a time lapse for you guys. And I did not go very far downstream before I saw him. So hopefully he didn't tuck himself away in a weird spot because he was a decent sized one. Where are you at, bud? Well guys, that was just one of those moments where the fish just outsmarts the fisherman, and they happen to everyone. You can't prevent them, you can just limit them. But I'm hoping to get one because I know there's at least one fish downstream, possibly two. So I'm just gonna keep checking laydowns, deep spots, and I'm very confident in getting one. But there's a deep spot right here. There you go. Got one. Got him right inside the mouth. No, broke my pole. This one's looking at it. Oh, jeez, he smacked it. Holy crap. It's one of the smaller ones, but He smoked it. Right in the top of the lip. Trying to work him up here. There's a good landing spot. And then I'm gonna hopefully go back and get a couple more. I think this is one of the smaller ones, but I'm just working him nice and easy. Gonna get him over here. Dude, this guy hit it so hard. Oh no, don't go that way, don't go that way. Anywhere but there. Just keep going upstream. Got him. Let's go. Hooked him right in the top of the lip. Oh, that was... Look at this hook that I got on him, guys. Right in the top of the mouth. Whoa. Stop. All right, guys, this is a smaller one. Very feisty, but I'm gonna get him back quick and hopefully get his big bites. Whoa. These things are crazy. But there's a good look at him. Nice little steelhead. I think it's a female, but I'm not sure. As you guys can see, the jaw's starting to curve over. Some serious teeth getting going, but this guy should be fine. He fought good. And there he goes. First one of the day. I got broke off by a big one back there, and I think he's up here, but let's get him. Guys, as you can see, I'm walking home right now. I let the big ones slip away from me, a few medium-sized ones slip away from me, but I got the smallest one. Better than nothing, I'm not gonna complain, but that's just the nature of fishing. The big ones are the ones that get away, and they just outsmarted me today. And as I'm sure you guys have noticed, there's a tree line of giant 50 to 100 foot trees. So once it gets down a little, there's still enough leaves that it blocks the sunlight, and I'm basically just walking through waiting for them to shoot out from under my feet, which is pretty scary considering that the salmon get 15 to like 30 pounds. And I let like a 20 pounder get away, but I'm just about home, so I'm gonna cut it off here, and hopefully you guys enjoyed, and please subscribe, check out the comments, drop one for me, I'll reply, and see you next time.